Yes, hello guys. Today we are going to have our analysis on Ethereum. Yes, from all indications, I think Ethereum is coming all the way down. Ethereum has a lot of room down. So let's find out where Ethereum is likely to crash to. All right. First of all, we will be having our order blocks drawn as I always do. This is one particular order block here. This is one level, the green, the orange box, the orange rectangle I've just drawn. And then I'm trying to mark out our levels for Ethereum, okay? So let's go on. This is another level. This is another level. There's a there's an order block there. Yeah. Okay. Alright. At least let us have these ones. So what do we see here? This is our weekly chart. And then from all indication, Ethereum is bearish. When was the bear established? When was the bear trend established? Alright. If we should this is our weekly chart. So on the weekly chart we had an upper, yeah, but here on the RSI we had a lower low. All right, so this was an indication that there was a successful reversal. So the market was coming down, and then I was at this point. It was at this level. See, when there was a bearish divergence here, it was at this level that the market actually confirmed that it's truly going bearish. Let me have our brush too, so we have a proper analysis of Ethereum. So when this low was taken, it was at this point the market confirmed that it really wants to go down. So you realize that it dropped down, it took out this low, and then it had a retracement and then dropped down again. All right, what do we have here? Let's try to mark out our, there is an order block here that was supposed to be retested, but the market violated it. The market violated this order block, and now it is retesting the order block as a breaker. It came to retest it here, and it has retested it, it dropped down and retested again. Until the market take out this high, until the market take out this high, we are still in a bearish market. All right. So we have our, we're trying to mark out some areas to watch out for. All right. At the moment, the market is turned bearish now. Why am I saying? When it dropped here, it retraced to our order block. They had a retracement, then went back to our order block. But from all indications, at this from this level was a little bullish, right? But from here, this level to down here, the market has confirmed that it really wants to go down. So why am I saying this? Let's go back to our daily chart, and then let's see if we can have some confluences there. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to 1 week. I think the daily is a lot here. Okay, good. So you realize this high was taken, right? But before this high was taken, this level was a very, very small order block. This level was a very small order block. Yeah, but the market violated it. So if you look at the chart, you realize that there are double tops here. There are stops here that were cleared. There are stops here that were cleared. Let us go to our daily. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. So you see that there are stops here. Let me use our trend line. You find out that this is almost on the same level. Right. This is almost on the same level. Let's say this. Yeah. So obviously there are stops here that were cleared. Let me use a brush too. This is a stop that was cleared. Another one. These are stops that were cleared. So when the market went quickly into it, in fact, this is also another stop that was cleared because the market took out its highs. Right. But prior to that high, this was the order block that was created, and this is the low. So as I've always told you, anytime the market moves massively high is a time to be cautious because it usually does that. Let me change the color. It usually does that to take stops out. Right. Okay. Okay. Right. So it was at this level when this low was taken. It was at that level that the market turned bearish after clearing the stops. So you find out that this particular level was an order block on the daily, but it was violated. Then this low was taken. So it was at this particular point when this low was taken that the market turned bearish. And what did it do? Came and then went retraced back in. All right. So at the moment this low was taken, any pump high was a fake pump to trick people or to trick traders to go long, and then they come and take them out and then go where they are supposed to go. All right. So right now we had our market change from this level. This was where the market actually reversed, turned bearish. Okay. And one indication is that right now you see we are under the 50 MA. So obviously and officially the market is trending bearish. Okay. All right. So why am I saying the market wants to come down? Let's go and find out if there are some stops below that needs to be cleared and haven't been cleared. Okay, good. All right. So if I'm to open up, let me zoom out. Let me zoom in. Yeah, there is a stop here, and there's another stop here. Okay. When the market dropped down, it created a double top here. So obviously, it means there were people who bought at that level, and the market came to retest that same level. There's a lower here, but it's not very obvious on the weekly. So let's go on to the daily for you to appreciate that there is actually a reversal there, like a lower there. So let me scroll to our website. Okay, so this is the one level. the first level. Sorry. Okay. uh, let's go back. You see, that's another low here. Market went up, retraced, and created a low. So you find out that this level and on that level is on the same uh, line, on the same line. So obviously there are stops that are lying right below there. So this gives us an indication or clues that the market is likely to come and clear those stops. Okay. So right now we have about three or four confluences or indications that the market wants to go down, and that Ethereum is likely to come down below our previous low, this particular low, right? Okay, and this is an order block. So when the market went up, it came down, but it didn't get to this other block. It came down and didn't get to this other block. But what do we see? We have a liquidity void here. What is a liquidity void? Let me get a square. Let's get our rectangle, right? So you find out that this, sorry, let me use a rectangle, that this particular space here is a void that needs to be filled. Let me use a highlight too. Okay, okay. So this level here is a void that needs to be filled. So that is a liquidity void. So the market has to come and fill that void before it actually reverse, or if it will go up, go. All right. So right now we know that the market is likely to clear these stops, and if the market is likely to clear these stops, that means from this level the market is likely to crash or come down below these levels. That is what the market is telling us now. All right. And then let's go back to our daily. Right now the market has retested this other block as a breaker. And I've told you, anytime there is a retest on an order block as or a breaker, it will definitely come down to clear stops below. And that is exactly what is likely to happen. This is a stop here. Right now we are on the daily. Let me use a brush too. Okay, yeah. So you find out that this level, this low here, is on the same level as this here. So these are this level, this low, and this low are on the same level. So obviously there are stops lying below there. So the market is definitely going to come below this level. The moment the market comes below this level, it will retest this particular red candle as a breaker and continue to drop lower. All right. So from all indication, we know that the market is likely to come down. Maybe from this current, if there will be any pump or any push up, it is going to be a fake pump. It is going to be a fake pump. Yeah, from here, the market is likely to take this low. The market is likely to take this low. Sorry. The market is likely to take this low. Yeah, and then have a retracement and then comes down. Maybe they'll, yeah, have a little retracement, comes down. or it can also retest this other block as a break and then continue down. Yeah. So whatever happens, the market is coming down. We'll be able to tell exactly how the market will react as time goes on. But we know that the market will definitely come down. Yeah. So what levels are we expecting Ethereum to get to? Okay. So if we are to use our Fibonacci tool, right? Let's first use our Fibonacci tool to at least guess the levels where we are likely to see Ethereum. All right, this is the 161 level. So let's go and get our horizontal line for us to like get the level properly. All right, so this is the 161 level. And let me get our other block here. Let me put our rectangle right above the other block. And then have another rectangle here. Another horizontal line here at this level. Okay. So right now I have three levels I'm looking at for Ethereum. Right. From my analysis, Ethereum is likely to get to $192. Sounds ridiculous. It's likely to get to $192. All right. And maybe possibly below because this is a double bottom here. Why am I saying possibly below? Uh, Let me use our brush tool. Okay. This level, right, and this level has created. Let me delete it. It's not. Yeah, let me use the brush tool again. So both levels is a double bottom. Both levels is a double bottom, right? And there are stops lying below there. There are stops lying below there, and I wouldn't be surprised if these levels, if the market attracts these levels to clear these stops before any massive movement higher. I would never be surprised. So if I say Ethereum is likely to come below $192, maybe I'm not exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating, but it's very, very possible that Ethereum can come below $192. If we are to break this low, let me use our horizontal line. If we are to break this low, it means even on the same level is around 79. So if we are to break these lows, we can probably see Ethereum at maybe 30 in the 30s or even below. Yeah. Okay. For us to be on the safer side, let's just use the same, like I mean just a little below it, around the 34. It can come below that. I wouldn't be surprised, trust me. I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum comes below $34. Yeah, so these are the levels I'm looking at for Ethereum. But this first one level is 628. Our second level is $405. Our third level is $192. That is a 1.62 level. Uh, I wouldn't be surprised. And then in the extreme cases, $34 or even below. All right. So this is my analysis on Ethereum. This is not financial advice anyway, but maybe we can pay attention to Ethereum. Let's see how the chat goes. Thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so to support us. Thank you very much.